Every few years, someone declares that Los Angeles fashion is over. But here's the truth: the creativity never left, it simply evolved. Body Los Angeles continues to produce some of the most exciting fashion brands in the world, each with its own identity, its own customer, its own point of view. Take Reformation. The brand helped prove that sustainability and fashion could exist together while creating one of today's most recognizable California aesthetics. Then there's DôEN, known for romantic silhouettes and vintage inspired collections. The brand has become a favorite among celebrities and fashion editors alike. If denim is your passion, look no further than AGOLDE, a Los Angeles label that continues pushing premium denim forward through craftsmanship, fit, and lower impact manufacturing. Fashion's experimental side, that's where Eckhaus Latta comes in. Known for challenging conventions with gender inclusive collections, unconventional fabrics, and artistic design. Los Angeles is also home to exciting newer brands, like Made Some, blending vintage sportswear with modern travel inspired style, Blondita, bringing playful Y2K energy back through limited edition collections, and Charlie Beads, transforming dead stock fabrics into beautifully crafted small batch garments made locally in Los Angeles. Celebrity entrepreneurs continue adding their own voice. Inamorata, founded by Emily Ratajkowski, celebrates effortless California swimwear and resort dressing. Meanwhile, Lisa Says Gah has built an independent community around joyful, artist driven fashion. Miaou continues redefining contemporary women's wear with its signature corsets and body conscious silhouettes. Staud has become one of California's most recognizable luxury contemporary brands, blending timeless design with playful accessories. Bella Venice celebrates beach culture through feminine collections crafted from dead stock materials. And Favorite Daughter, created by Aaron and Sarah Foster, focuses on elevated everyday essentials inspired by relaxed California living. These brands may look completely different from one another, but together they tell a much bigger story. Los Angeles has never been just one style. It's a city where different ideas, different cultures, different aesthetics, and different generations continue shaping the future of fashion. That's why Los Angeles remains one of the world's great fashion capitals, not because everyone dresses the same, but because no one does. This is LA Ragmaker.